All right, when you're removing rims, you're going to want to have an impact wrench if you can get it. Impact gun, that's what it is right there. Just take it and show them how it's done, Stevie. Take the wheels off. And you want to just carefully remove the rim. Always lift with your legs and not your back. Done deal. We'll just get all the other wheels off. All right, we got all the wheels off now. We got the lift up to the proper level, and now we're going to start taking off the torsion bars, the calipers, all the front suspension, getting everything we need to mock this thing up to start putting the brand new lift on.